I'm very proud today to announce that I'm going to appoint Judge David Viviano to the Michigan Supreme Court. David's an outstanding candidate, and he's earned this. In many respects, if you look back at David's career, it's been one of success from the earliest days. Hillsdale College, the place where he went to law school. It was the University of Michigan, right? And it's nice. I like the yellow outfits, the maize outfits that the kids have. Not that I noticed. But in terms of a legal career, it's been outstanding. Dickinson, Wright, Jenner & Block, two of the finest firms in the country he worked at, in addition to starting his own firm. So he has that innovation startup bug about starting his own firm, but then earning his way onto the bench in Macomb County. In 2006, he was elected a circuit judge there, and it wasn't just about being a judge. It was about being an innovator. And he's got a track record of innovation involving the Michigan Supreme Court. He worked on a key project with them on jury reform and was a leader in that, and some of those practices have been adopted statewide. And then he's been a leader in piloting e-filings and electronic technology in terms of bringing that to the court. And you know that's near and dear to my heart in terms of bringing innovation. So he's been outstanding, and that was recognized by becoming Chief Judge of the Macomb County Circuit Court. So it's an outstanding background. He's truly a rule of law judge too, which is critically important. He knows the role that the judiciary has, which is to look at the law, see how it's written, and make sure it's fairly and impartially applied.
I would of course like to start out by thanking the Governor for placing his confidence in me. This is a tremendous honor for me. It's a tremendous honor for my entire family. I look out, I see of course all my friends from Macomb County, from the legislature, the county executive is here. It's a tremendous honor, I think, for all of us. I of course have tremendous regard for the court system in Michigan. That's where I've spent my entire career. Working as a lawyer and as a judge, and as the Governor mentioned, as Chief Judge, I've had the honor to be able to work with the folks in Lansing on the Supreme Court and at scale to bring a lot of innovations to our court system. And I really very much look forward to earning the respect and admiration of my new colleagues on the bench. So this is, as I mentioned, a tremendous honor. I would like to recognize my family that's here. You've already seen my son Antonio. My wife Iran is here. Of course, she's been very supportive of me throughout this entire process. So I want to thank her for that and recognize her for that. My mother and father are here, Alice and Tony. My dad is a retired judge, but he's also in his 50th year now as a member of the State Bar of Michigan. So our family really does have a proud tradition of public service. That's how I was born and raised, and I can't think of a better opportunity than the one that the Governor has now given me to continue that service and to really do it on a statewide basis. I am committed, as the Governor said, to the rule of law. I do believe in the separation of powers. I believe that it's a judge's role to fairly interpret the law and to defer to the policy choices that were made by the legislature, by the policy-making branches of government.